Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. We're continuing our series on comparing fractions, and this time we're going to use the renaming the fraction method to determine which fraction is greater than or equal to the other. And so in this case, we have 3/8, and we're comparing it to 13/16. We know here that using the least common multiple method, we know that 3/8 will be equal to 6/16. And we can just keep 13/16 as it is, and we can easily see in this case that 6/16 is less than 13/16. Right here, we can look at this and see, okay, now which one is greater? Okay, so I already gave you the answer to the question, which is easy because it takes the stress off of you of having to figure it out. That's what anchor charts are for, to help you really figure it out without having to work it out. You have plenty of chances to work out problems, but here we just want to see how to do problems. And so in this case, well, how do we know that 17/20 is greater than 4/5? Well, we know that 4/5 will be equal to, let's say, 16/20 if we use the least common multiple method. And so right here, we know that it's just 16/20 is just a little bit smaller than 17/20. And so if we read it from left to right, 17/20 is greater than 16/20. Big example 1, big example 2, and big example 3 coming up. Okay, and how can we prove that 10/15 is actually equal to 6/9? They look nothing alike, but yet they're equal. Again, we can use the least common multiple method using 45 as our common denominator, and we know that 15 times 3 would give us 45. Whatever we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator. 10 times 3 will give us 30. Conversely, 9 times 5 would give us 45. 6 times 5 will give us 30. And as you can see, both are equal. All right. We can use the least common multiple method to help us rename the fractions to see which one is greater than or equal to. And you're probably asking, well, isn't cross multiplication easier? Yes, it is. I agree with you. But let's say, what if your fractions are large numbers? Okay. And then if you cross multiply large numbers, then you get large results. It's okay to do that. But there's another way to determine which fraction is greater than the other when you're comparing fractions, and that is the renaming fractions method. All right, this would be a great time to play the video as many times as you need to, or pause just to get a look at it, and of course take notes. But in the meantime, please like and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook. And until next time, goodbye.